Dreams are the embodiment of our deepest desires, the essence of our most profound longings. They are the fuel that drives us forward, the compass that guides us toward our most authentic selves. But achieving our dreams is not simply a matter of wishful thinking or idle daydreaming. It requires a deep and abiding commitment to ourselves, a willingness to step into the unknown and embrace the challenges that lie ahead. To achieve our dreams, we must first cultivate a clear and unwavering vision of what we truly want. We must connect with the deepest parts of ourselves, the parts that are driven by passion and purpose, and allow that connection to guide us toward our goals. We must be willing to explore the depths of our souls, uncover the hidden desires that lie within us, and nurture those desires with unwavering dedication. Once we have established a clear vision of our dreams, we must then take bold and inspired action toward their attainment. This requires a willingness to step out of our comfort zones, embrace uncertainty and risk, and push beyond our perceived limits. We must be willing to invest time, energy, and resources into our dreams, be patient and persistent in the face of setbacks, and stay focused on the end goal, even when the path seems unclear. And finally, to achieve our dreams, we must embrace the journey itself as a source of wisdom and growth. We must be willing to learn from our mistakes, adapt and evolve as we go, and see every challenge as an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. We must be willing to let go of our attachment to the outcome and to trust that the universe will guide us toward the highest expression of ourselves. So, my dear friends, let us embrace our dreams with open hearts and unwavering commitment. Let us be willing to connect with the deepest parts of ourselves, take bold and inspired action toward our goals, and embrace the journey itself as a source of growth and self-discovery. When we do these things, there is nothing that we cannot achieve.